Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Awardwallet mobile app, a powerful tool designed to help you track your loyalty programs, credit cards, and travel itineraries in one convenient place. First, download and install the Awardwallet mobile app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. If you do have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can add your loyalty programs, credit cards, and travel itineraries. To add a new account, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select the type of account you want to add, such as airline, hotel, or credit card. Enter your account credentials and Awardwallet will automatically import your account balance and other relevant information. You can also manually add accounts if the automated import feature is not available for your specific program. Once you have added your accounts, you can track your balances, expiration dates, and other important details in one place. You can also set up notifications to alert you when your points or miles are about to expire or when there are opportunities to earn more. In addition to tracking your loyalty programs, Awardwallet also allows you to track your travel itineraries, including flight, hotel, and car rental reservations. You can add your travel plans manually or link your email account to automatically import your travel confirmations. To get the most out of Awardwallet, make sure to regularly update your account information and balances to ensure accuracy. You can also use the app to book travel and earn points or miles through partner links. By following these steps and using the Awardwallet mobile app, you can easily track and manage your loyalty programs, credit cards, and travel itineraries, helping you maximize your rewards and make the most of your travels.